Ever wondered why you never wake up in the middle of the night to sneeze? It's not just luck. It's one of your body's amazing built-in safety features. When your brain enters deep sleep, your body basically hits the off switch on most of its reflexes, including the sneeze reflex. The nerves responsible for detecting irritants and triggering that powerful achoo are temporarily deactivated. So your nose might be tickling, but your brain refuses to let the sneeze interrupt your precious sleep. Your body protects your rest. Hit follow to learn more about your weird and wonderful body.